All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you this beautiful 2023 Mercedes G63 wagon. It's amazing car. Look at the amazing color on this. One of the things that we get a lot of questions is people want to run a front plate, but they don't want to put an ugly bracket on there. So there's a company that makes these brackets called Stow & Show. So it's a quick release front plate, but they don't make it for this vehicle. So what we do is we order the parts in and actually ask them not to machine anything. And then we, in essence, make the part fit. So we machine it, we mount the bracket, and now the car has a removable plate. So all it is this slides into here. You pull this pin, there it goes. And now the unit locked, right? But you can't see anything in the vehicle. This plate is also double-sided with a 3M automotive grade tape. The main reason for that is there's no holes in the bumper. So the whole thing is to avoid having to drill holes into the bumper. Usually it's here and on the bracket. And then also, if you don't want to run the front plate, you pull the pin, remove the unit, and you're good to go. So even on this beautiful brand new G63, we have a solution for you. A lot of the times, they don't cover every car, but if they don't cover it, we can make a bracket. We use multiple bases and multiple faceplates to make a unit, a solution for your vehicle.